Hello and good morning. Taking a short break. I reached the end of the trail markers quicker than I expected. 78 minutes, 2.1 kilometers. Still have maybe 3 more hours to go to reach the summit. Yeah, it'll be interesting because I've never tried pass without the trail markers here, and that was way back 2018. One hiker was ahead of me. He was quite quick. I started before him, but he overtook me. He's more fit than me, so but it's all good. Each to their own, really. Behind me is, which one is it? I think it's from what I can remember. That's Avalanche Peak. I've done it 2019 also, way back 2019. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the silence, and then I'm gonna hit it up. I should be fine. Should be fine. Cheers.
Hello and welcome back again to my confused channel. I say it because initially I started this channel to share my hikes. However, my activities had changed in the past couple of years. Badminton had been my routine post-COVID, so I wasn't able to do some hikes that I usually do on a weekend, especially after doing a 2-hour session on a Friday night. I did try, but it made hiking a lot more difficult. Mostly on my legs.
There to go.
Had some improvement early 2022 after doing some training. So now, even if I play hard on a Friday night, I can still hike the next day. Anyway, not my usual intro in the car compared to my previous videos. I decided to film the intro when I reached the summit. Unfortunately, I failed to reach the summit due to the extreme difficulty of the trail. I did record on an intro at the highest point that I managed to reach, but due to my laziness, basically, the audio wasn't captured properly.
This is crazy.
Plus it was so windy, so the footage was unusable. Anyway, this is my first hike for 2023, and hopefully can do more before winter. I don't normally hike in winter, but we'll see. This is Mount Aicken. It's located at Arthur's Pass and is about an hour and 45 minutes drive from Christchurch. It has an elevation gain of 1,858 meters with an elevation gain of 1,238 meters. Total distance of 8.8 kilometers and back. Well, that's based on Aicken Trail's app that I'm currently using. There are trail markers only until to the viewpoint, so after that, just follow whatever you can find. There's some along the way, but it's very limited. I think I've seen about 3 or 4, but that's it. It is quite a steep hike and had several sections, even en route to the viewpoint, that requires some rock climbing, so you'll be challenged from the get-go. Especially because it was quite steep, I wasn't able to film. I wasn't able to film myself because I was always, most of the time I was on all fours. Well, that was at least what I was doing. I did try to film it using my pocket Osmo while it was attached to my backpack, but I did tilt it upwards, but it was still I was too close to the rock face, so it was basically unusable as well.
Wow.
And also, this was filmed actually January 4, the day before my birthday, so belated happy birthday to me and to my cousins Patrick and Abu. who are celebrating their birthday, January 3 and 6 respectively. Happy birthday also to the boy who's celebrating his birthday on the 4th. So basically the day that I did this hike. Another belated happy birthday to my cousin Irvin, celebrating his birthday on the 10th of January. But it's all belated because this video will be uploaded. By the time this video is uploaded, it's already past that date. I'm not actually disappointed that I'm not able to reach the summit because I realize that I don't have the skill set to safely reach the summit. I'm recognizing the limits and not endangering myself, especially considering I'm doing this solo, right? I would say it was a good decision to not push through and head down. Heading down was also a challenge, so yeah, I'm glad I made it back safely. Sorry for the long intro. I suppose it's okay since this is just the first video for this year anyway. I did had some good photos, so you can fast forward to 10 minutes 50-second mark if you don't want to see some of the footage I managed to film. Disclaimer, a little bit of a disclaimer, some of the footage that I managed to film, if you're scared of heights or have vertigo, I think you might not like it. I would say if there were some sections actually that my legs were somewhat trembling, and considering I wasn't tired yet, I'm definitely not tired, but I did felt my legs shaking. Yeah, so again, thank you for watching my videos, and Happy New Year. On to the next video. It will be a badminton after this one. I hope I manage to hike again and do another one. I'm planning to do Foggy Peak en route to Castle Hill. I did that way back in 2019 and I wanted to redo it, so see how fast I can do it. I did it back in 2019 and it took me about 7 hours. I'll try to shorten it this time. Cool, thanks for watching again. Bye.